English speaking course.
Sweetie, are you okay? You have a red rash appear on your face. What? Really? Oh my God, I think you have an allergy with seafoods. Mom, I feel so itchy. Mom, I feel a little dizzy now. Jesus Christ!
Hold her. I'll call the hospital right away.
A rash, a lot of small red spots on the skin that are usually itchy. An allergy, a medical condition that causes you to react badly or feel sick when you eat or touch a particular substance. I think my son's having asthma.
Can you describe the symptoms, young man?
I sometimes have chest pain, and I breathe more slowly and cough a lot after running. I also have a heavy cough.
I see. Seems like you really do have an asthma attack.
Does he have to drink syrups?
Yes, but in some emergency cases, like when you're going out and cannot take the syrup, I'll show you some ways to get rid of the attack.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
You need to sit upright, take long and deep breaths. Stop exercising or get away from the cause of the asthma. Most likely is smoke from the tobacco.
Okay, I'll follow your instruction.
Thank you, doctor.
Asthma, a respiratory condition where spasms in the lungs cause difficulty in breathing. An asthmatic uses an inhaler to calm the spasms. A cough, the act of expelling air from the lungs with a sudden, sharp sound.
Ouch! My back.
What's the matter, Lucas?
I think I have a backache.
Yeah, we've been sitting for 2 hours working on this project. It's easy to understand.
What should I do now? It's so hurt.
I think you should rest for about 15 minutes. How about some instant yoga exercises for office workers?
Where should I find these exercises?
Here.
Okay, I hope it will help.
You'd better take some medicines after work.
Sure.
A backache, a prolonged pain in the back. How can I help you, sir?
Well, I have a slight backache this morning.
Does it happen frequently, sir?
No, since the beginning of this month, I guess.
Okay, I'll prescribe you 3 types of medicines.
Do I have to drink them every meal?
No, you just have to drink every morning and before going to bed.
Thanks. How much does it cost?
It costs 14 euros.
Here you are. Thanks.
You're welcome. Hope you'll get well soon.
Watch out, Mike! Ow! Jesus Christ! Are you okay, dude? Let me help you.
I think my legs are broken.
We have to take you to the school health officer. Miss Wheeler, can you help my friend?
What's the matter?
I think I have a broken leg. It has bruising over there, and I cannot move. It feels so hurt.
Okay, calm down. We will have to use plaster cast in this situation. Hold him for me, Will. I'll prepare for this.
Thank you, Miss Wheeler.
Be careful next time. A broken leg. When a bone in the leg is broken. A broken leg is put in a cast to help immobilize the leg so that it heals quicker. Other parts of the body with bones can also be broken. For example, a broken arm, a broken wrist. Hi, Uncle Tom. You're not feeling so well today, aren't you?
I think so, Jenny. I have had chronic dry cough and chronic headache for 2 weeks. I also have difficulty swallowing.
That's why I always tell you to stop smoking, Uncle. I think you should go to the hospital. Those symptoms are one of the cancer signs. It's really dangerous.
I'll follow your advice.
Cancer, a serious disease caused by an uncontrolled division of abnormal cells that kill normal body cells in a part of the body.
Excuse me, I have an appointment with Dr. Brown this afternoon.
Can I have your information, please? What's your name?
My name is Tom Johnson.
Yes, I can see your name in the checklist. Please go to room 203 on the 2nd floor to take an X-ray.
I've just had my chest X-rayed. Is there any serious problem, doctor? Fortunately, your lungs are nothing out of the ordinary. However, do you smoke? Well, to be honest, the answer is yes. I suggest that you should stop smoking, as it is gradually damaging your lungs. I know, it's hard, but I'll try, doctor. Take care of your health, sir. Smokers are likely to have cancer. Thanks for your advice, doctor.
Mike, it's almost 7 o'clock. You'd better eat breakfast and go to school on time. Mom, I don't feel so well. I think I have a cold. I've been sneezing all morning. Oh dear, are you also having a sore throat? I can't hear you very clear. Yes, Mom. My throat really hurts at the moment. Let me have your temperature taken. The temperature says 38 degrees Celsius. You're having a high fever, sweetie. Can I take the day off from school today, Mom? I think I also have a headache. Sure, sweetie. I'll prepare soup for you. A cold, a common viral infection which causes mucus to run from the nose, gives a sore throat, and often includes sneezing. A sore throat, a condition of pain in the throat, typically caused by inflammation of it. A fever, an abnormally high body temperature, usually accompanied by shivering and a headache. A headache, a continuous pain in the head. Why do you use the toilet for so long, sweetie?
Mom, I think I have diarrhea. I have water stools and frequent loose.
Calm down. Do you have a stomach ache?
Yes, it really hurts.
Be patient, sweetie. Just keep doing what you're doing. I'll prepare some diarrhea medicines when you finish. Diarrhea, an illness in which feces are discharged from the bowels frequently and in a liquid form. A stomach ache, the pain in a person's belly. Notice how the word can be spelled together or as two words, depending on the country.
How are you today, Mrs. White?
I think I have an earache. Last night, our next-door neighbors were so noisy that I could even hear them playing loud instruments.
Can you describe the symptoms?
At the moment, I can't hear you very well. Pretty sure it's not because I'm older. Everything's just happened since this morning.
Let me check your temperature. It's 38 Celsius degrees, higher than usual.
I feel so itchy around my ear as well.
I'll prescribe some medicines for you. Don't worry, ma'am.
An earache, pain inside the ear.
I think I have some symptoms of COVID-19, doctor. Can you describe them more clearly? I have recently had fatigue, although I don't work hard these days. I have also had a dry cough and feel feverish since last week. I went to the drugstore to take some medicines, but it didn't work. Do you have difficulty breathing? Yes, quite usually, doctor. It's hard to tell the difference between the influenza and the COVID-19. I'm afraid that you have to be hospitalized for further treatment. No problem. I'm always ready.
The flu. Flu is the most common name given for influenza. It is a contagious viral infection of the respiratory passages that causes fever and severe aching.
I'm full now. The food today was delicious. Mom is the best cook I've ever known. Hey, don't lie in bed after finishing your meal. It will cause heartburn. Nah, it's okay. I do this every day and nothing happens. Hey, bro, I think you're right. See, I've told you already. Now just sit up straight. I'll call Mom.
Heartburn, a form of indigestion felt as a burning sensation in the chest. It is caused by acid regurgitation into the esophagus.
Shh. What's the matter, sweetie? Honey, our baby has red rashes full of her face, and she's a little feverish. Let me check your temperature. You're a little high today. Things seem not so right.
Oh dear, she may have measles.
Is it a serious disease?
I think yes. This usually happens during winter.
Yeah, the weather is moister today.
Let's take her to the hospital. The measles, an infectious viral disease causing fever and a red rash on the skin. It typically occurs in childhood.
What's wrong with your legs, Millie?
Well, I have a sprain in my left ankle. Why do you have a sprain? I have to work intensely for the running competition at school. Maybe I ran so fast that I fell on the street. I couldn't move. I could hear a pop sound at the time of the injury.
Oh dear! Was there anyone there to help you?
Yes, my PE teacher took me to the school health officer, and Jenny took me home. You'd better take some days off, sweetie. Sports are good, but too much is also dangerous.
Yes, Mom.
A sprain, an injury to a joint in your body, especially your wrist or ankle, caused by sudden twisting it. Welcome home, Billy.
I missed all of you. I have some gifts for all. Dad, do you have any pain relievers? I have had sunburn since I came back from Hawaii. Oh dear, you forgot to apply the sunscreen, didn't you? Yeah. Let me see your body. I think it's not so serious. Ouch! Don't touch there, Dad! I'll get the medicines for you. Don't dare forget sunscreen ever again. I'm so sorry.
Sunburn, when the skin becomes red with inflammation as a result of overexposure to the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Wow, so yummy. All of them are mine. Ouch, I feel so hurt. Hey, where are my sweets? I'm sorry, Mom. I've just eaten them all, and now I have a toothache. Oh my God, how many times I have to remind you not to eat so many sweet stuff. I'm sorry. Can we go to the dentist now? It feels so hurt, Mom. Okay, this is the last time, okay? Let's go. A toothache, a pain in the tooth or teeth.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.